probably tight enough because it's up in his gum.
Can't tell if I'm getting it.
What if I do
Alright.
Then
I want you to put your mouth down like this. Okay?
Alright, so
Wait,
we're going to pull his tooth out with the Traxxas, and his brother is going to drive. Get up there and get his...
Ready?
Did it pull it out? Where? Oh, right there.
Let me see this. Very cool.
Just get top and over.
yeah.
Turn it off. That one was ready to come out. There's no root or anything left.
Wow.
It has a little bit of road grime on there.
Show us your tooth with a smile. Yay! No more pain.
So like a huge gap.
Yeah, there's a huge gap there now.